Hey guys, Mike here, doing a little woodworking in the garage. My mother-in-law wanted a squirrel house, so here we have a squirrel house. I was able to cut a hole in this using a jigsaw, but I wanted to clean up the edges of it. So I ordered this Gator drum sander attachment. It goes on any drill, just screws in the chuck. It comes in this kit. You can see it comes 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. It comes with 50 grit, 80 grit, and 120 grit. Right now I wanted to remove a bunch of wood, so I have the 50 grit on it. More finer sanding, use 120 grit. But I like this setup because you just unscrew it from your drill, and this is it right here. And you loosen up this nut right here, slide this drum off, put your new drum on, and then tighten this back on. There's a rubber underneath here, rubber ring, I guess, that you tighten it on, it expands and holds the sandpaper in place. But this is a great option for those of you who don't want to spend the money on a drum sander. This is a great way to get around it. So get you a set of these. This is the 1.5 inch drum sander, depending on the size hole, depends on the type sander or the size sander that you buy. But this is the Gator drum sander. Get one of these, you'll love it. Have a great rest of your night.